Missy wa brochi de bia. Ana kofi odro. Edi Ghana health system etutu brochi.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Papa ye campaign na mo sign anwia eguni garim. Mo sign eguni garim. You MPC ya no hoy. Na mo ye majority. You had the state arsenals. Na mo sika. What happened to the Deputy Minister for Health? Yours is communication, delivering to the media what is transpiring in the health system, health sector. Sister P0we, agenda 111 krasebi, ya komodium to beg them for information. Na namo aso camera na so da for shema. Me se mo yema dwuma ye, na mo nim na mo jai. They shouldn't go home. They should sustain the beatings till they capture all the agenda 111 at wherever they are going. Me patro general secretary kahwana on kama mo kacha no so near chire because one dey osowa sister Kraman stop him osowa obetimi ne soja fo ape so yes NPP ye pede osowa na ne hetre oni chire Kate Jamfu ade chire hey youth organizer de chire omo wia you people are going, you people are the next. This is the minority at parliament. We need the party to do this. Yeah koko de awie they've submitted the report to Elijah Mamu.
Ina za mu samu mu ciyar da yaran mu da mata mu baci. In ka Lord zaka bolga a tare. Ka Lord zaka tamala a tare. Boko a tare. Jama'a zan tambaye ku boko ko timba. Bolga ko timba. Tamala ko timba. Navaro ko timba. Bola ko timba. Tumwa ko timba. Wa ko timba. Toyaya. Saboda shi ba fara muke so ba. Mu abunci muke so. Inda sura so next 4 years. 2028 musaya dakin daka mu vote musu. Kamar inda muka vote musu na. To wallahi su matallahi checkpoint abun da ya kama tutta kima har zuwa kurgungu a cire shi. Checkpoint abun da ya kama tutta kima har zuwa tumu a cire shi. Gwalu a cire shi. Checkpoint ne
ma utrimu nya wo desa mankrofo atwa wo hye ka bibia no mu didi atem saa no problem de bia maka che say wan kan me nsu abekan masere en MPP fo o kan se ma fe no mo hope o kan na nanka etiewa ade nti na wo se duru ho na mo kasa na nanka etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we say ministries ni bi o hwan nyoma bi o ho mu ye ni sedan ko onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu o 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte dia no aka fa ho efa flooding no dia no aka wo minister for works and housing wada so tete e dia be pa no aya wutua nika but all these people are there onko anu akotwa ahumem me so ye president ye be ye duodum na extra kill na reality ni setina wodi ayene sa na after 2026 President John Dramani Mahama wodi ayene say ya na after 2026 Ghana fo nya wie pa ni ewura 2027 na obeka say nya Ghana fo ne toma no wodi market on the one me say wodi ayene say ya ne dada praise prima Mahama is a hope Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo mankrofo nya sa wo ye adwuma me say ma ye wie 2026 na ye wie 2027 pa obeti because abre no na ye politics sa abre no obi power 2 sa abre no na ase edu nketia ni Julius ne Professor Alabi mu ni nabusiafo o ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o 2 million na ase e chekofom na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa se adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehe enyoma na wo ka se wo be ye no e wehe over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunye adwuma nye no o ye den
ato force na ye ato force ye no a all ka so any evidence o asem no can only evidence but na nia bere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama bia mu ato force that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti ye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu wa ban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1% bi no de amamu someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na ya ka wa bonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting me can say the power of our thumb tamuni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ wa enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama who is the president of the land a Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic akra bi president na mo tia konwa so kra ya chat no responding e to da friend no crop fa and the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni as a busy wo wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo and attention hunu kwa no mo criticate abu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no any mo ye ni nyina e ye total disrespect to the president so president wo ho now what interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo supporters is crying to me hide it ebi wa ha come wo ma that could be out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na was e kwaso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe hey masa
mo je na da no se mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya Ese ke scan kwa ka de wasa botumi wo say oh I mean say wo say NPP for ya akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu we dey asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for the nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yenketenkete ya adwen yenketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yenketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most people konketenkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire ba John Dramani ma say o mema was come to boot one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey John Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say die ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member voter region na me say films Remona Chapa ya happy say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Nam one and quack baby, aquacodan, and then I'm one. Yes. Not just say, what's in Ukraine? Say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem in
economy no kwa na
problem in say, Papa or Council of State member or company. To good a year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good me good kwa manone ano near juma ko bia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o me bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court, and as high court really say the oil unique case what ferry akona koda afi the old fed na afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa my no issue document say we a fugitive wo dwane tango personal attack as if say you go office one and you sue any personal agenda and you so sad
no Raymond no ankasa me ne matinye mabaye miense bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the me hu no wo the very soon be hu recordings e be pie
Raymond
very soon be hu recordings e be pie
ajiegu
and this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash am fe ya sorry am fe na nsi for my